Hey everybody, Cold Steel Bill here, coming to you from out at the farm. Quick little spin around there. I'm out here trying to zero my doggone Rossi R92. Put together me some reloads. Some of I'm happy with the load. I'm happy with the power it's producing. I'm unhappy with having a couple of primer fails, given the scarcity and the price of primers and everything today. But it is what it is. Possibly lost the amble out of it before it got pressed. But either way, that's what I'm doing. I'm just down here. I got some, my target's down yonder, but I'm really right now, all I'm doing is trying to hit something with this daggone 45. These reloads that I have are the berries bonded 230 grain, and I like the bullet okay, and I like the charge okay, but man, my primers are, I've had 2 misfill primers, and I'm being a little skeptical about it. But anyway, that's all I'm doing. I'm just piddling around. It's Labor Day. It's almost 12 noon, and I'm going to shoot a dozen or so more rounds down yonder and see if I can't hit some steel. Well, I've been slapping the rear sight around left and right, and I think now I've got it so screwed up I can't hit anything. But hey, that's the fun of shooting, right? All right. Let me put you in the tripod, and I'll be back, okay? Y'all hang on. All right, so really all I'm doing, guys, is just bringing you along with me to burn out the last, I don't know, maybe 10 rounds that I have. I'm very happy with the load that I'm using. It's got a lot of power. I'm not happy with some of the primer results that I'm getting. I've had 3 delayed fires. Um, both of them were with my revolver, and so it's got me a little skeptical about these loads. And I don't know. And that's the whole reason that I brought the Bulldog, because if I did have a squib, it's a hell of a lot easier to get it out of a 2.5-inch barrel than it is a 18-inch barrel. We'll put this over here for the moment. We'll go ahead and go through the rest of these 45 rounds with my R92. I am not hitting diddly squat, so let's see if I can maybe hit a diddly or cop a squat, one or the other. I think copping a squat is going to be the first thing. Bullshit. See what I'm talking about, a bad primer? The reason I'm holding it here is because with my revolver, I had a delayed response. There was a full second between the trigger dropping and me getting the, and it actually igniting. All right, try it again. Somebody lost 5 pieces of brass. Cheap for the diamond. See, I'm shooting all around in the area, to the right, to the left, above, below, trying to figure out where my shift is at. Oh, I hit something. I think I hit the post. All right, so I should be, with that, shoot a little bit to the left. Well, there we go, I got it that time. Alright, so I am shooting a little bit to the left and hitting just a little bit low. Let me see if I can repeat that. Evidently not. Damn. I hit shit. Well, I nicked the diamond one time. Actually, I got to get closer, work my way out away from it. But it's just so daggum hot. I wasn't about to set up out there in the sun right now. I'm up here in the shade by the barn. Alright, that's the last few of these rounds. I'll pull the Bulldog out. I actually hit it a few minutes ago with my Bulldog. Let's try this. Charter Arms Bulldog, chambered in 45, Colt. Yeah, I hit something. Aha! Alright, I'm going to wrap it up. But before I go, I want to show you something. If you ever hear anyone discuss crimp jump, that's what they're talking about right there. I don't know how well you can see that, but it came out just far enough, okay, to prevent me from going over. This is where a factory crimp is extremely critical. Yeah. Oh shoot, yeah. Alright, for all you reloaders, and not necessarily reloaders, but specifically reloaders, this is a good example right here. You can see, I don't know, maybe you can, maybe you cannot. See that line right there on the bullet? That's where I have my crimp at. And 4 rounds with this one being in the revolver, this is what you call crimp jump. And the bullet slides out to the point to where it won't allow the cylinder to revolve without the bullet catching the throat, okay, of the barrel. All right, a good lesson. There you go, right there. I bet I can still shoot it. Oh. I hit the diamond with it. Maybe I need more crimp jump. All right. All righty. Very good. Very good. Well, that's it, everybody. I'm just playing around. It's Monday afternoon. It's Labor Day. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend, or did enjoy their weekend at this point. And I am Cold Steel Bill, coming to you from out at the farm. Au revoir, mi amigos. Just wanted to have you join me, come out here and play around with that 45 Rossi R92. This is such a fun gun. Beautiful little rifle. Okay. If you don't have a Rossi Libra gun and you've been thinking about getting a Libra gun, believe me, they're well worth every penny you spend on them. And I'm a big fan of Taurus revolvers. Can't say so much about their auto loaders, but the revolvers, I'm a big fan. And also, if you're going to reload, use Starline brass. Starline. Au revoir, mi amigos. Adios. Bye.